Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a bit of a catch up on what I've been up to. I've done a few 3D prints lately. I'll show you some for a mate of mine. I'll show him, so if he does watch this he'll be able to see what they are. I've done some lots of different roof vents and stuff, and some of these ice boxes. Don't know how well. Oh Jimmy, don't start your bull crap, mate. I've done some of those, and those are going to sit outside a store, I think, or something like that for him. Got some more stuff to send, and I've been busy with the 3D printer. Doing a few things for details, you know. These are the brackets I use for the fire escapes and things, you know. Little cast iron brackets. And I've got some in a larger scale. These will go under bridges and things. These are a larger scale, exactly the same thing, sorry, but larger scale. I don't know why that's not focusing so well. Those will go under bridges and things. Lots and lots of little beer bottles. Those are going to be really difficult to see. They are bottle shaped. Lots and lots of those are going to be discarded in the street and stuff like that. The obligatory oil drums. These are empties. These are without lids. And I've got Jimmy, stop it with your nonsense, mate. Roof vents, domestic appliances. You know, I fill the shop with these fridges and washing machines and stuff. That sells those. Lots and lots of different roof vents and stuff like that, you know, all kinds. Some electric motors. These aren't very good. I'm going to redo these electric motors. I do have a motor manufacturer, Williams Motors, a Walthers kit, so I'm going to redo those. I looked everywhere for cats, and it had been suggested I need some alley cats and stuff. This is a tiny, Jimmy, sod off, tiny little cat. Painted it black. I'm going to have to use the digital microscope at this rate to show these things, but believe me, that's a tiny little cat. I've got various different dogs sitting down. Oi, shut up. Dogs that are all sitting down. Yellows, blacks and browns. I believe they're Labradors. You could make them look like a Dalmatian. And I've got dogs standing up. All these are details you need, you know, if you're building a realism. If you're looking for realism, you want all this type of doings on your layout. These are the tiny pigeons. I stick these to roofs, under bridges. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little, I do have a digital microscope, and I can film on that. So some of these smaller ones, I'll just film them on there, and hopefully it comes out good. I'll be able to show you what they are. These are the pigeons before paint. You can see they've got little feet on them and stuff. Just about see. I do lots and lots of those. If anyone wants any pigeons, let me know. And I've got a lot of people. These are modern people with mobile telephones. She doesn't have one. There's lots of different styles of people. that's somebody else on a mobile phone. So it, you know, it brings it up rather than the generic ones you buy in the shops. With 3D printing, you know, you can pretty much have whatever you want, can't you? You get much more modern stuff, you know. And these are some I was sent. These are Royal Mail post boxes, the red boxes, and those as well. So that's what I'm up to at the moment on the printer. I've got some more buildings to do. Latest one is this Gossy Booksellers from Walthers. That's quite a big building, very nice building that. I've got a lot of buildings ready and a lot of kits still to build for the new layout, which is going to be a 30 foot by 10 or 12 hopefully. And I'm hoping we can get that sorted this spring, get the building up and then get cracking. So I haven't done anything with this yet, but we can have a quick look. I do like Walthers kits, as you know. And this is no exception. This is a lovely kit. I believe it's the original Walthers building where the Walthers company started from. In 1890 it was built. That's the date stone marked on there. It wasn't looking like it does today as this model. There's an earlier version that you can buy, and it looks pretty interesting. Let me get this one out. All the windows and stuff. This is the concrete works. Jimmy, I'm really going to get rid of you, you big shit. Stop it. And these are all two add-ons. It's going to be a very nice building. It's going to go in an area on the new layout that isn't, shall we say, full of derelict buildings and poverty and muck and stuff. It's going to go in a slightly more affluent little area. And I've got another DPM kit somewhere. I've got this DPM kit to build, Carol's Corner Cafe, and then after that I've got a couple of high rises and a big warehouse to build. So that's going to keep us busy. But I'm hoping, like I say, I'm hoping by spring to have the new building up, and I can get on with doing stuff in there. Not sure about the old layout yet, if it's staying or going. Depends how big I can get the new layout, and I might just concentrate my efforts on the new layout. Let the old layout slide for a while, and then make a decision what I'm going to do, because the new layout is going to be in a purpose-built shed. The shed that the old layout is in wasn't purpose-built for a layout. It was originally a workshop, so I might revert it back to the workshop for doing stuff. I don't know yet. Anyway, that's all it is, just a quick look at what I've been doing on the printer, and a couple of little projects we've got going. And I'm really looking forward to this one. It's going to be a good one. It's the bookseller shop. Beautiful building, lots of architectural features that are really good. Thank you all for looking in. Thank you for sticking with me. Thanks for your likes, your subs and your follows and stuff. Please do give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. It all helps, and I will reply to everyone. Even if it's a negative comment, I will reply. Let me know what you think, and anyone wants anything printing, they're not my designs, so I can't sell them, but I can certainly help you out and print you something if you need it. So let me know in the comments about that as well. That's all it is for now. Thank you very much for looking in. I appreciate you all very much. Do take care, and I'll catch you all very soon. Bye bye for now, my friends. Take care.